We know that this school understands the value of technology. They need more equipment, they need more ways to be able to serve their young people here and to be able to bring in some tablets, some laptops, ways to be able to make sure that these young people are prepared for going into the global workforce. We have some HP laptops, we have some Microsoft Pros, and then I think we have a couple new Dells.
This gift will go right into our Science Center to expand the project-based learning for our kids, so we're humbled and grateful. I hope it really transfers to my kids to know what it means that people who they think and idolize, we're here concerned about them.
I say this all the time, everybody can't go pro in football or whatever professional sports you may desire, but everybody can go pro in STEM, science, technology, engineering, and math. Some of the highest performing, highest paying careers are software engineers. And software engineers start with being able to work with these laptops, with these 3D printers, with the robots, with the different laptops and different Surface Pros that y'all have in here. So I encourage you all to utilize these services as much as you possibly can. Who likes Snapchat? Who likes TikTok? TikTok is a software-based company. It's an algorithm. It's an algorithm from these types of laptops. So instead of just being a user of TikTok, instead of being a user of Snapchat, utilize the same thinking and the same processes that those algorithms are being used, those engineers are using on Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, and you all can be the next engineers for whatever social-based app is coming out next in the next 4 to 5 years. Y'all are gonna be in the workforce, and I wanna see you all thriving, all right? It all starts with being able to just play with the technology. It's here for a reason. Today, you have Microsoft Pros. Those are the things that are being used by some of the most intelligent people on the planet. And you all are some of the most intelligent people on the planet. Y'all have the resources, y'all have the teachers, the people that want to see you all succeed. So utilize it, ask questions, don't be afraid to fail. When you're going through this process and learning how to code and learning how to operate with these things, it's okay to fail. It's okay to mess up. It's okay to tinker and explore and discover and be curious. Do those things, because all that's going to do is just help you be better, all right?